Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick the settings button from the right to open the advanced camera settings. And here at the third position we have the shooter sound. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear anything. Of course we can turn it on again by going back to the right corner to the settings button and using this one to turn it on, so now we can hear it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.